Imagine if your hair could naturally regain its strength, thickness, and shine, all from a simple weekly oil blend. No harsh chemicals, no pricey salon visits.
But what can you do to the scalp to encourage the hair to grow again? So your scalp herb is your rosemary.
Barbara O'Neill. She's a naturopath, nutritionist, and educator who has spent years promoting natural remedies and healing approaches. Her hair growth remedy is one of her most talked about formulas. Now, why does this matter? Because hair loss isn't just about genetics. There are many underlying factors, stress, nutrition, scalp health, circulation, that need to be addressed. Barbara emphasizes a holistic view, and the oil blend is part of the solution. To understand why this remedy works, it helps to know what causes hair thinning. According to Barbara, hair loss can be linked to poor scalp circulation, clogged follicles, hormonal imbalance, or nutrient deficiencies. When your scalp isn't getting enough oxygen and nutrients, your follicles go dormant, and that's where this oil blend steps in. It nourishes the scalp, improves blood flow, and helps wake up those sleepy follicles. Let's start with some of the best herbs that Barbara O'Neill recommends for tackling scalp issues and hair loss. Number 1. Rosemary.
Now the herb that is a specific for all scalp issues is rosemary. And this is rosemary essential oil. The essential oils are expensive, but please remember that it takes about a whole bucket of the herb to get almost 1 drop of the oil, so no wonder they're expensive. But it's important to remember that, realizing that they're also very, very strong.
Rosemary has long been cherished for its natural power to boost hair growth. It works by increasing blood flow to the scalp, delivering more nutrients to the hair follicles, and helping them grow stronger and healthier.
So your scalp herb is your rosemary. Does it have to be an essential oil? You can make a tea with that, but of course it won't be as strong. But then again, you could bring it to the boil and slowly simmer a lot of rosemary in a little water, and you can certainly make it a lot stronger. So anything to do with the head, you would use rosemary essential oil.
Number 2. Thyme oil. Dealing with lice can be frustrating, especially when you want a solution that's both gentle and effective. That's where thyme oil comes in. This potent essential oil is known for its natural insect-fighting power, helping to eliminate lice while also protecting the scalp from infections caused by constant itching and irritation.
So with the scalp, we've got a few issues there, and one can be head lice. So with head lice, you can paint the scalp with slippery elm. You put water with it to make it like a soft gel. But with head lice, you've got to put something in there that's incredibly strong. So you can use thyme oil. So thyme essential oil is very, very strong, and the head lice hate it. So what you can do is you could make, let's say for this you would do half a cup of slippery elm, and in that half a cup you might put 1.5 cups of water. So in that mix you might put probably 6 drops of thyme essential oil, and that's very, very strong, but you've got about 1.5 cups of gel.
Thyme oil is packed with powerful antimicrobial and insect-fighting properties, making it a natural and effective remedy for tackling head lice.
And before I was a psychiatric nurse, I was a hairdresser. So when we used to dye hair, we'd divide the head into sections, and then we'd put the comb in and paint one bit, and then paint another bit, and then paint another bit. So you get the gist so that the whole head is covered with this mixture that can kill head lice. And then you would keep that all wrapped up. You could put a shower cap on or a plastic bag around and tie it in a knot. You would want to keep it there for about 4 hours. So head lice, it can be used for that.
Number 3. Slippery elm. Slippery elm is a powerful natural ingredient known for calming dandruff and soothing a dry, irritated scalp. It's rich in mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats and nourishes the skin, providing deep moisture and relief. When applied to the scalp, it helps reduce inflammation, ease itching, and restore comfort, leaving your scalp feeling hydrated and healthy.
What about if someone's got a very dry scalp, dandruff, or sometimes psoriasis in the scalp? The slippery elm can be excellent for cleaning that up and nourishing it. So what you would do then is you do a similar amount of this, but this time you put the rosemary essential oil in, because the rosemary essential oil is very nourishing to the scalp. So let's say dry scalp, eczema. Some people do experience eczema in the scalp. Then you would do the slippery elm and the rosemary.
Number 4, coconut oil and castor oil. Coconut oil and castor oil are two powerhouse ingredients for healthy hair growth. Coconut oil deeply hydrates, reduces protein loss, and strengthens hair from the roots, keeping it soft and resilient. Castor oil, rich in nutrients and fatty acids, boosts thickness, improves scalp circulation, and locks in moisture. Together, they nourish the scalp, prevent breakage, and promote strong, healthy hair.
What about hair loss? So for hair loss, an excellent mixture for hair loss would be probably 1/4 cup of coconut oil and 1/4 cup of castor oil, and then rosemary. So with the rosemary essential oil, we're probably looking about 6 drops. And what the person does is they massage that into their scalp, tie it up in a knot, and try and leave that all day. Someone said, can I sleep with it? Well, if you want, but you can sleep with it. When it's washed out, be very cautious on the shampoo you use. And I'm going to give you a name of what you never want in your shampoo. It's called sodium lauryl sulfate. And sodium lauryl sulfate is what they usually put into shampoo, sometimes even put it into toothpaste to make it foam. And what sodium lauryl sulfate, it's a chemical that kills the hair follicles. So you don't want that. If you're not sure what the names are on your products, Google them, it's not hard to do.
So here's the name of the ingredient you never want to see on your shampoo label. It's called sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium lauryl sulfate. You'll often see it abbreviated as SLS or SLES. These are chemical foaming agents. They're what make your shampoo lather up and get all bubbly. Sounds good, right? Well, not really. See, sodium lauryl sulfate is harsh. It's the same kind of detergent they use in industrial cleaners and even in some toothpaste because it makes things foam. The problem is, it doesn't just clean your scalp, it strips away your natural oils, irritates the skin, and over time, it can actually damage or kill your hair follicles. And once those follicles are damaged, they stop producing healthy hair. That's why you might notice thinning, dryness, or breakage, even if you're using expensive hair products. So what can you do about it? Check your labels, flip your shampoo bottle around and look for sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium lauryl sulfate. If it's listed near the top, it's a red flag. Switch to sulfate-free. There are so many gentle, natural shampoos on the market now that clean your hair without stripping it. Do your research. If you're unsure about the ingredients in your shampoo or conditioner, just Google them. It takes 10 seconds and your hair will thank you. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, and the products you use every day make a huge difference. So, if you're looking for a safe, natural, and affordable way to regrow your hair, give this Barbara O'Neill remedy a try. Mix 1 drop of rosemary oil with castor and coconut oil and let nature do its thing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more natural health videos. Drop a comment below if you're going to try this, or share your results if you've already used it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.